Good afternoon, I am Chepuru. I am from Hyderabad district, Telangana. I recently graduated from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies in the field of electrical and electronics engineering. Basically, I am a 2024 graduate. I joined in Qspiders in June 2024 and got the job in March. These 8 months of period, I gained so much knowledge in testing. I basically thanks to all Qspiders team. In order to get the job, communication skills and technical skills are very important. I got those skills from institute itself. Like presentations helped me to improve my communication skills, and mocks helped me to gain technical knowledge. And after adding any requirement, I got so much knowledge and I got the confidence in the subject because of grooming itself. And also in Qspiders JNTU branch, they conducted mocks, and those people who cleared the mock, they conducted like placement activity batch. Those placement activity batch helped me a lot in order to get the job. And thank you everyone. Thank you Qspiders.